What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazing day with cherries on top. My name is Elvis and you are watching The Golden Drive. If you haven't, I'm just gonna shamelessly plug my Instagram below. Follow me on Instagram to see more updates on the Datsun, because there's some stuff that I do and I don't post on YouTube, but post on Instagram. And so yeah, and I post stuff on Instagram way before I post on YouTube. So just to stay more updated, you can follow me down below. The links are on The Golden Drive on Instagram. But we're just gonna get this started. We're gonna get started in this video, because in this video we're gonna be installing racing seats for the Datsun. It is so overdue. Oh my goodness. Ugh. The stock seats that came on the Datsun were terrible. They're so bad. They're not hugging at all. They are just flat back, and they are, I mean, I tried to restore it before. I tried to sew new seat covers for it, like manually hand stitched, and it just did not work. It was good for the time, but now I need to start getting more serious about safety, because I drive this car pretty much every day now, especially in this winter. Look at it. This is just white outside, and I still drive the Datsun. So yeah, we need to make new seats. As you can see, I've already kind of done it for this seat. So it's golden and it feels amazing. And so now I'm just gonna show you guys exactly how I made the mounts for the seats, and how I made the brackets, and how I did everything to do with welding and fabrication, because it is a lot of fun and it was a little bit of work. Okay, let's get to it. So this is what the current seat looks like. I mean, there's stuff on it now, but if I raise this up, yep, you can see kind of what it looks like. So gross. And I tried to like recover one of them, so like you can see this one, it looks a little bit better, because I tried to recover it and like put like a custom skin on it, but it is still not very comfortable. It's not very safe, and it sucks. And I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna undo this, but it's an NRG seat. It's a racing seat. Come on. Come on. Oh. It is pretty nice, actually. It's an NRG racing bucket. I don't want to get dust and crap over it, so I'm just gonna try to keep it covered for now. Oh, dang it. Of course I tore it. Okay. This is gonna fight me now, but oh well. For your own good seat. Perfect. So, I didn't just buy, I could have bought the NRG seats that they offer, or the NRG seat brackets for mounting to the Datsun and all that, but I just wanted to fabricate my own mounts because they're custom mounts. You can't fabricate them, or you're supposed to fabricate them, or I just want to do it myself. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. And for that, I've done a bunch of stuff, and I want to also, the reason I didn't want fixed seats in place. I wanted to be able to move front or back to adjust at least the way they slide front and back, I guess. Because I don't think the custom seat brackets, or the one that you would buy from NRG, have them. So, and they're also kind of expensive. Yeah, and I'm just a cheap person in general. So let me just show you what we've done so far. I didn't do a lot of it on camera, but I did a little bit. And so I got like some sheet metal, what's it called? It's actually a pretty simple setup. So I unbolted the seat bracket, the seat rails from the stock seat. And I'm gonna take everything out so you can see how it all works. So what I wanna do now is make this thing as flat as possible. I could cut out all this stuff, but again, I want to retain the way the seat works. And so what I decided was I got some metal plates to kind of, because I'm gonna have to raise up the seat kind of like to make everything flat with this. This is the highest point on the seat. So, dang it, came flat. So I got these sheet metal pieces, like rods of steel. And then I drilled holes through them because I did some measuring and all of that. So this first one slides right there. Until you can see, almost perfect. The hole goes through that. So I'm gonna weld this to this, because the thickness of this and this and this and this are almost the same. So I'm gonna weld that, and then I'm gonna get this sheet of metal to put over, because this thing still kind of leans over and they're still like, yeah. So I'm gonna get that and put there, and boom, also drill the hole. And then I'm also gonna weld that too. And then I also cut out this sheet metal, boom. I'm gonna weld that together. Then I'm gonna put that together. So literally, oh, come on, why did you fall? And I'm gonna do that for that side, weld it, and then for this side, pretty much exactly the same thing. Just cut sheet metal, try to make it as level as possible. Oh crap, okay, as possible. So yeah, whew. So I saved you guys a lot of the boredom because you guys would not want to just see me weld. And so yeah, so now I'm just gonna pretty much take out the paint from the current seat brackets, use an angle grinder. When I'm done with that, then I'm gonna start the welding. And we should be good. Hopefully it shouldn't take me too long because the first one took me forever to do. So yeah. And let me show you what the seat brackets that this one comes with looks like. So that's what they look like. So like I told you, they're flat, completely flat on all ends. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be able to put, when those things are flat, I'm gonna be able to bolt them there and it should be good. Very easy and simple. Oh. Buttercups again. So these are the old seats of the car. I have finally put the new seats in the car and I'm gonna go show them to you. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna convert these to maybe weld like pipes that I'm going to put, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome when I convert these to regular seats. But let's go outside. It's kind of chilly, but it'll be fine. Oh yeah. Dang, it's freaking cold. Oh. Yep, and the Datsun is literally buried in the snow. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. And I'm actually probably gonna be doing a driving video. Maybe driving this thing in the snow for the first time. Oh my goodness. But in the meantime, crap, I literally just locked the door. It was open before. Come on. Oh yeah, there it goes. And ta-da! That's what it looks like. Oh, it's so freaking cold. I think the seats look so good. Let me sit in them. Yo! Oh, they feel so, like, literally compared to the previous seats. Oh, these seats are so much better. They are so much more comfortable. They have headrests and they actually hug me in. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Should I take it for a drive? I can. There's snow everywhere, so probably a bad idea. I don't think this car is gonna do very well in snow. We're gonna do that in another video. Maybe in the next video we're gonna do donuts. So if you want to see donuts in the Datsun, leave a massive thumbs up. But yeah, they work. I don't know if you guys can see properly just because of how dark it is in here, but the seats look amazing, and my wife has actually said that they fit great, and it actually cuts down the noise and the vibration, or the vibration you can feel in the car, which is awesome. And yeah, in general it just feels amazing, and I feel like I'm literally in the car right now, as opposed to before that it just literally felt like I could just fly out of the car at any moment. So yeah, whew, it is freaking cold. Winter Storm 2021. And again, this is all part of my interior restoration that I'm doing to this car, because now the interior looks so bad. It looks terrible. And with these seats, I feel like I'm taking a step in the right direction of getting, I got these seats, they were really cheap. Uh-oh, I think someone is about to go do donuts in his truck, because that's the way it is in Kentucky. But yep, so maybe we might do donuts in the Datsun. Yeah, they feel great, and they just look amazing. And again, they are not very flashy. I didn't want to get like red or all that, because that'll just take the interior too much. It'll be just too extra. But yeah, it feels great. And when I shift, let me give you guys, see if I can just keep you guys on the seat while I demonstrate this. But my shifting, everything just feels so good, and it literally feels like I'm hugged in there, and I'm like so good. So NRG did not sponsor this episode at all, because you guys are thinking I'd be thinking, oh, NRG sponsored. No, I bought these seats off myself. I think both of them were about $400 with shipping included. And yeah, they're just great seats. They hug very well. The only thing that I need to adjust for the seats is, so you guys can see they're literally kind of hitting the what's it called, the door of the car. So if I open the door, you'll see that there's this guy right here. It looks like a hole. That's because it's hitting the seat side. So it's kind of, I need to probably push it inside a little bit more. But yeah, and so I have to like slam the door when I close it, because it hits on that. But man, is that great seats. They're golden. Such a step up. Even though, again, I probably should have bought the mounts, but again, I wanted to retain slidability forward and backwards, and I can do that. And with these seats too, they have like kind of like pockets, so I can store things in there if I wanted to, and you can kind of like also take them off too. So yeah, they're really nice seats. And I'm also, yes, you guys are gonna tell me I need the 5-point racing harness. I'm gonna be installing a roll cage inside this car. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I just need to buy the roll cage first. I don't think they actually make one for the 280ZX, but they do make for the 280Z, and they're kind of similar styles in the like body style. So let me know if you guys, if you Datsun owners that watch this have actually used the 280Z Z roll cage for the 280ZX. And it's gonna be a weld-in, so I'm gonna have to take off the carpets. I'm gonna replace all the carpets, weld in this new roll cage just to make it safer, because daily driving this Datsun for now, it's just not the safest thing in the world. But yeah, it was successful. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. And again, in the next video, we probably are going to be taking the Datsun out on a snow drive, which I'm so excited about. Okay, if you want to see that, give it a thumbs up, and just, yeah, comment what you want to see next on the Datsun. And yeah, have a golden rest of the day. Bye.